Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we want to design a glass bottle step by step together, so let's go. I separate the main parts with different colors and simplify them in a way so that you can understand the main dimensions. If you want me to make more of this style of videos for you, please like the video and leave your comments for us. Thank you. Now I will define the shadows and lights for my bottle by putting some lines. Next I add the details I want, like some bubbles around and inside the bottle. So easily, our initial design was prepared. Now, we have to take it to the Illustrator software. After setting the initial design, I select the pen tool and start to draw lines. After completing the lines, we come to the step of adding color. You can take a photo of the same color palette that I put in the corner of the page and use it